Hey, what's going on, guys? Jordan here, back with another video. Today we just have a quick, another quick cash out video. Noah again, cashed him out. I spent $235 and $25. That is $260, if my math is correct. But we'll get into them. First pair we got here are just some Curry ones. $25 for these. They're size 8, pre-owned, no box. But there's no size 8 on GOAT, so I'm just asking 70 for them. I mean, they're a small size and they don't have a box, so even if I sell them for 70, still $50 profit or $45 profit, whatever. Still better than nothing. Just I don't want to charge like too much for them since they are a smaller size, no box, all that stuff. But like other sizes that are pre-owned are like roughly like over 100, like 120 to like 160 I was seeing on a GOAT, but these I'm fine with 70. That's the first pair. Toss those to the side. And the second pair, the heavy hitter, you see that nice black and red and black Jordan 1 box, and they are the UNC to Chicago women's Jordan 1s. These are a size 8.5, dead stock. Obviously with the box, and they are they have the receipt in there as well. But I paid $235 for these. So I won't really be able to make. I can make like 20 bucks on these, like 20 to 30 bucks on these maybe. But I'm asking. So I paid $235. I'm asking $260. That way, even if someone offered me $250, I could still make 15 bucks. But UNC to Chicago ones. Go ahead and take those out of the box real quick. They're really clean. I missed them on release, so I never got a pair, and he got a pair. He got 2 pairs of these, so I figured for $235. I saw that they're at like $260 last time I checked earlier this morning. But I just really like them. Like I said, I missed them on release date. Obviously, women Jordan 1s are like way harder to get than the regular pairs, but I'm just surprised these didn't do as good. Like, they're still doing good, like $250 if you paid retail for them, but when you don't pay retail for them, you pay resell for them, it's hard to make money. But like I said, for $260, I paid $235. If I can sell them for $260, or even as long as I sell them for more than $235, I really don't care. I just don't want to have these for too long. But anyway, guys, that is it. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to check out my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, gaming channel, resale page, FIZZ Kicks, clothing brand, FIZZ New York. And if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already. Comment down below what you guys thought about my quick little 2 pickup cash out. And I will see you guys on the next video. That's it. Peace.